Now today chapter 3, chemical substances and process. You know this thing, matter exists in three states: solid, liquid and gas. You have already studied these things in class 6. Three states of matter. You know about solid, you know about liquid and gas. An object which is found in three forms, you know, water, here water, in this case you know this thing, that water is found in three forms: ice, it is solid; liquid, water is itself liquid; and steam is gas. Okay, try to understand, recall this thing: solid, liquid and gas. Now all matter is made up of small particles called atoms. Atoms combine to form molecules. Now what things difference between atoms and molecules? Now simply if you will write hydrogen H, but if you will make compound like H2O, this is a molecule. It means atoms combines to form molecules. Materials which are made up of same kind of particles, that is has more atoms or molecules, are called pure substance. Pure substances can be further classified as elements and compounds. Try to understand beginning of the chemistry. This is of chemistry chapter. Beginning start element. Element, you know, there are more than 108 elements found in our universe. You should know one story here. Our civilization is knowing about element from earlier times. Okay, you know, in worship like goddess Durga, you will observe that Sri 108, it is written in a bold letter in a cloth. You will observe Sri 108 Durga Maharani Ji. What are the reasons? Because our ancestors were knowing about there are more than 108 elements. You know, in Ramcharitmanas it is written that क्षितिजल पावक गगन समीरा पंच रचितिया adham sarira. What is the meaning? Meaning of this line is that our body is made up of 5 elements, but it is told in ancient time. Now element is, number of elements are more than 108. Try to understand. Our ancestors were living in like a scientist. Try to understand. Rishi, Kanad were great scientists. Okay, now element. Try to understand about element. Element is a pure substance which is made up of atoms of the same kind. For example, iron is an element which is made up of iron atoms. We may take element. I am giving simple example. Here hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, bromine, iodine, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, like so on are the elements. Okay, try to understand. If you know about periodic table, you will observe there are written more than 108 elements. Okay, whenever you will go in the higher class, in class 9 and 10, where there you have to study about periodic table, where there you will observe what things about element. Broadly discussion about element. Okay, but here only you should know about element. Compound is a pure substance which is made up of molecules of the same kind. A molecule of a compound consists of atoms of two or more different elements that have combined in a fixed ratio. For example, water is a compound made up of water molecules. Each molecule of water contains two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen combined together. In addition to elements and compounds, we also have mixture. A mixture contains two or more substances mixed in any proportion. Proportion, you know, ratio and proportion. A by B. Simply you may write A by B. What will you recall this thing? Division here, A divided by B. But you may say A ratio B, like this. Recall this thing, A ratio B. The components of mixture are not chemically combined with each other. A mixture is therefore not a pure substance. But here air is example of mixture and it is not a pure substance. In this case, classify the following materials into pure substance and mixtures. Chemical symbols. Try to listen this thing carefully. Chemical symbols. Element, because there are more than 108 elements, so we are not able to learn all these elements. We are not knowing too much about elements, so we are keeping symbol. Here, like abbreviation, hydrogen is a symbol H, sodium Na, magnesium Mg, aluminum Al, calcium Ca, potassium K, iron Fe. Here I want to discuss. Before studying chemistry, you should know all these basic things. If you ask such, sir, how will you balance chemical equation? But if you are not knowing symbol, then how can you balance the equation? Name of the element, symbol, copper Cu, gold Au. If you will read all this symbol one or two times, you are able to know about the symbol easily. Silver Ag, carbon C, oxygen O, sulfur S, nitrogen N, phosphorus P, chlorine Cl, bromine Br, iodine I. Chemical formula. Now here I have already told you about atom and molecule. The chemical formula of substance is based on the composition of the substance. It indicates the type of number of atoms of each kind present in that substance. Suppose NaCl. Now you are knowing Na means sodium, Cl means chlorine. Here I want to discuss. You should write, if you are writing two atoms, keep this thing. This is basic things of chemistry. If you are writing two atoms, Na and Cl, you should write both these atoms in bold letters. You should not write like this NaCl. This will be wrong. You should keep same position of both atoms. Okay, this is rule. Suppose two principal is going your house. Suppose Kumar sir and another principal is also going to your house. Then what will you do with respected principal sir? What will you do? Suppose Tripathi sir and Kumar sir is going to your house. What will you do? You will give chair to Kumar sir and Tripathi sir. Not chair, bench you will give. Not. You will provided both principals are chair because they have the same post. Okay, try to understand. Similarly, it is happening with atoms. You should write similar type NaCl. Okay, try to understand. Now I hope you are understanding that if you will write chemical formula H2O here, for example, the chemical formula of water is written as H2O. Here H bold letter, O bold letter. You cannot write like this. H like this. This will be also wrong. Okay, try to understand. This means that a water molecule is formed by the combination of two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. It means both have same post. Similarly, the formula of carbon dioxide CO2, this means that a carbon dioxide molecule is formed by the combination of one atom of carbon and two atoms of oxygen. How to write the chemical formula? To write the chemical formula of substance, the chemical symbols of the elements are written and the number of atoms of each element is written as a subscript to the right side of its symbol. For example, nitric acid contains one atom of hydrogen, one atom of nitrogen and three atoms of oxygen. The chemical formula of nitric acid is therefore written as HNO3. One is not written as a subscript. Similarly, glucose C6H12O6. Here name of the ion symbol: sodium Na+, magnesium Mg2+, aluminium Al3+, calcium Ca2+, hydrogen H+, copper Cu2+, iron Fe2+, zinc Zn2+, aluminum NH4+, chloride Cl-, oxide O2-, hydroxide OH-, carbonate CO3 2-, sulfate SO4 2-, nitrate NO3-, acetate CH3COO-, phosphate PO4 3-. Okay. Here we summarize below the procedure followed for writing the chemical formula of substance. Symbols of positive and negative ions are written and their change is written on the top right corner of the symbol. Common factor, if any, is removed in the charge of two ions. Charge of two ions are crisscrossed. Crisscrossed. What is crisscross? Like this. Okay, like this. This thing will go in here and this thing will go here. Crisscross. You know Jesus symbol. Numbers are now written at the bottom right of the symbol of the two ions. This gives us the chemical formula of the substance. Now try to understand carefully. Na here example first NaO. Here you are observing this oxygen, sodium and oxygen. You know symbol sodium Na+, O oxygen, oxide O2-, Na+, Na plus and O2 minus. What things will you write? Na plus 1, O2 minus 1. And now crisscross. This O, these two will come here and this one will come here. Here you may write like this, Na2O, Na2O. And it is read as sodium oxide. Now next thing, Al3SO4 2 minus. What is valency of Al? 3 plus SO4 2 minus. You will read about valency in class 9. It is also given here, but you should know combining capacity of an element is known as valency. Al3 plus SO4 2 minus. Al3 plus SO4. Crisscross. Here you use crisscrossed Al2SO4 whole 3. Aluminum sulfate. Similarly, Ca2CO3 2 same thing, so it will diminish. Both have same valency 2 so CaCO3 2 will be what thing? 2 will be diminished. Okay, chemical changes. Now next thing we will discuss chemical changes. Now chemical changes, try to understand. Here it is written but reaction is not given, so how do you understand which is the reactant and which is the product? Here simple given C plus O2 CO2. Here this is reactant. Before reaction, anything which react with each other, this is reactant, and you get final thing, this is product. Okay, try to understand. C plus O2 reactant and this is product. Now same thing here, chemical reaction, you know this, that was the chemical reaction, and reactants and product. Substance which undergo a chemical reaction. What things? Substance which undergo a chemical reaction in a reaction are called the reactants, and whereas the new substance which are formed are called the products. Chemical reaction reactants in this side, left side reactants and right side products. Balancing of chemical equation. One student asked that how do you balance this thing? Here H2 plus O2 H2O. Now here in this side, left side, you will observe that there are 2 atoms of hydrogen. Here there are 2 atoms of oxygen. But in the product, what things will you observe? There is less of 2 oxygen. Here only 1 oxygen. So how do you balance? Here you will multiply by 2. You may multiply and divide. A balancing equation, you should multiply or divide. So here you have written, you have multiplied by 2, but now this is 4H. Now this is 4H, then what will you do? Here you should also multiply. Then it will be balanced. Now you may observe this side there are 4 hydrogen atom and this side also 4 hydrogen atom. This side 2 oxygen, this side also 2 into O, 2 oxygen. Okay. This is now the required balanced chemical equation for the reaction. Try to understand, this is simple thing. Types of chemical reaction. Combination reaction. Combination reaction, it means combining. A chemical reaction in which 2 or more substances combine to form a new substance is called a combination reaction. Here hydrogen and oxygen combine to form water H2O. What is the chemical formula of water? H2O. Ammonia chemical formula NH3. N2 plus 3H2, 2NH3. Decomposition reaction, breaking. 2H2O, if you will break this 2H2 plus O2. Due to, you may use catalyst here, this will decrease or increase the rate of reaction. CaCO3 CO plus CO2, displacement reaction, displace. Here what thing will you observe? There will be displace. Try to understand, very simple thing. Fe plus CuSO4, FeSO4 plus Cu. What will you observe? Fe will added with SO4, then it will make FeSO4 Cu. Neutralization reaction, it means acid plus base whenever combined that will make salt plus water. Such type of reaction is known as neutralization reaction. Here NOH plus HCl, NaCl plus H2O. Try to understand. Sodium hydroxide, hydrochloric acid reacts, mix and reacts. After reaction, what will you obtain? Sodium chloride plus H2O. You know sodium chloride is salt. You know you are putting this salt in vegetable while you are making food, you put salt. Okay, now question time. You know this thing. There is answer of this chapter. In case of any problem, you may contact me directly. You know our phone number. Okay, thank you.